Today, we are talking about 5 strategies to address issues in chronic pain cases. So, chronic pain can be one of the most difficult type of case to prove because sometimes there are no objective studies or objective records that can show that the person is experiencing chronic pain, and pain is subjective, so it is difficult to prove objectively, and credibility in these cases is essential. But let's get into talking about 5 effective strategies to overcome the challenges related to chronic pain cases and ways to get you the fair compensation for this type of injury. So, first of all, let's talk about comprehensive medical documentation. Obtaining thorough medical evaluations and opinions from specialists who understand chronic pain syndrome is essential in these types of cases. These professionals can provide nuanced explanations for fluctuating pain symptoms and can reinforce the legitimacy of your condition. These types of experts can really help a judge to understand what is going on in a chronic pain case and can help to strengthen your position. This brings me to the second point, which is similar, and this is expert testimony. Seek expert testimony from medical professionals familiar with chronic pain syndromes, and your lawyer can help with this. So, experts can clarify how variations in pain reporting are typical for someone who is experiencing a chronic pain condition. And this can counter arguments that the defense will no doubt raise about inconsistency that indicates malingering or someone who is just pretending that they are still in pain for their lawsuit. Tip number 3 is to get legal representation. It's important to engage an experienced lawyer who specializes in personal injury and who has dealt with chronic pain cases. A knowledgeable lawyer can effectively present medical evidence, they can challenge the insurer's denials, and they can advocate for your entitlement to benefits. So this is really important. If you do have chronic pain, a lawyer is essential to help you frame the arguments about the pain. The fourth point that you should be aware of in chronic pain cases is that they do require a consistent treatment plan. Despite challenges from insurers, maintain consistency in pursuing the recommended treatments and assessments. Documented efforts to follow medical advice will be extremely helpful in your case. It shows proactive management of your condition despite obstacles. So, even if you're having a lot of trouble, it would be best if you continue on with, say, physiotherapy, if that's what's recommended, and you keep going to your appointments, even though it's challenging, especially when you feel like you're not getting better and it's not helping. But having a consistent treatment plan will show the other side that you really are trying to get better, and it goes a long way in terms of the defense thinking that yes, you are trying, and at least it shows that you're doing something to the court. It's helpful for your case in that way. Point number 5 is to maintain persistence and to advocate for your rights. So stay persistent in advocating for your rights. Document interactions with insurers, including their refusals to pay for treatments or their refusal to pay for an assessment that is recommended by a medical professional. Persistence can highlight the insurer's reluctance to the judge. So you could highlight this to the judge that the insurer has been reluctant to address legitimate medical needs. And this will really help to strengthen your case and potentially show that the insurer is not taking you as seriously as they need to be taking you. By using these 5 strategies, individuals who have chronic pain syndrome can strengthen their case and can fight against skepticism and can then secure the compensation and benefits that they deserve after sustaining an accident and going through this chronic pain syndrome. Seeking early legal and medical assistance is really important to help you to navigate the complex issues that chronic pain claims can have associated with them. It is important that you reach out and get legal advice. I can be consulted with the contact information below. Please feel free to reach out if you want to have a chat about your case and your rights. What I've provided here is just a general overview. If you want specific legal advice, please get in contact with a personal injury lawyer.